Carnifing Municipal Council KMC, under the Carnifing Environmental Transformation Program KEPT, on Friday launched a call center, magazine, and fleet management system. The call center will give the residents of Carnifing Municipality KM the opportunity to call the council and lodge complaints on waste collection, anti-littering, and other related matters under the supervision of the council. The project is aimed at easing service delivery for the council to the citizens of KM, as the call would be free of charge. The Carnifing Environmental Transformation Program KEPT aims to use a sustainable focus on new integrated waste management approaches to drive environmental, social, and economic transformation in Carnifing. Speaking at the event, Madam Binta Jane Jallo, Deputy Mayor of KMC, urges residents to effectively use the call center to lodge their complaints.
Over the past years, residents of the municipality registered their complaints through social media such as Facebook, WhatsApp messages, etc. to address these complaints in a timely manner. The project has established a centralized call center that fields calls from residents regarding access waste collection services and filing complaints of littering. The call center will replace social media for the reporting of fly tipping, though enabling a more timely response. More efficient reporting and response time will ultimately lead to a reduction in waste dumping in communities, rivers, on the fragile coastline. Behavior change is at the very core of this transition and will be driven by, amongst the other activities, encouraging residents to use the call center number and utilize new waste collection apparatus. From today, the resident of this municipality can call 1244 to register their complaints regarding access waste collection services and filing complaints of littering.
The Deputy Mayor further reveals that her council would be embarking on a sensitization program on the call center.
The launching will be followed by the public sensitization on call center hotline for residents to file complaints. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, visibility and public sensitization is central to implementation of the project. Therefore, the project has published magazine that highlighted the main activities implemented by the project during its first year. The magazine will be distributed to the stakeholders to inform and educate them of project implementation and status.
Mr. Aliunyang, KEPT Project Director, gives the rationale behind the project.
To elaborate today, our main actions that we are here to deliver is on these two aspects: inclusive service delivery and sustainable resource management. That's why the project has a component in which a digital fleet management system has been developed and a complaint management system developed and a call center established. The project aims to introduce these new technologies and promote exchange of best practices to drive environmental, social, and economic transformation and accelerate the achievement of the Sustainable Development Goals, which is a global target. The Carnifing Environmental Transformation Program also intends to focus on environmental transformation, offering capacity building opportunities for officials and technical staff to further adopt environmentally sustainable practices and enhance the municipality's service delivery in the area of waste management and the provisions of green public spaces. These are actions in which, for the past 18 months, the project has worked significantly on. I believe people are aware that we build parks, we are building a library, and we have established this digital fleet management system, which is operational and is being used. And in addition to that, we've established a complaint management system, which we are launching today, and for it to be used widely within the municipality.
Mr. Papset Sise, Chief Executive Officer of KMC, says the call center and fleet management system will address the challenges the council is facing.
We are conversant with the fact that environment and sanitation continue to be one of the major challenges and therefore needs holistic approach to address it. The systems we are launching today will complement the efforts of Council to provide efficient services in environment and sanitation to the residents of this municipality.
The Carnifing Environmental Transformation Program KETP has 3 output areas: waste management, education and tree planting, and parks management. Reporting for Kerr, Fatou, I am Landin Sise.